A former Huntsville police officer convicted of murder files his formal appeal. The 69-page appeal filed with the Alabama Court of Criminal Appeals is in William Darby's case. His attorneys asked for oral arguments over what they claim are trial court errors that impacted the verdict. Darby's defense team claims the errors involve the judge's rejections of certain jury instructions, as well as allegations that Darby was deprived of his right to a public trial due to COVID-19 procedures. Darby's serving a 25-year prison sentence after being convicted last May for the deadly shooting of a suicidal man while on duty. Alabama's first coroner to face impeachment proceedings resigned before his case went to trial.
831's Nicole Zedek joins us live from the Lauderdale County Courthouse now after speaking with the district attorney. Nicole, how does he feel now that that trial won't be moving forward?
Well, the whole purpose of the impeachment trial was to get George Tucker Jr., also known as Butch Tucker, out of the coroner's office. So the district attorney, he says he's actually grateful that Tucker just decided to quit on his own. This way, all of the family members who had to deal with that trauma won't have to relive the trauma by testifying on the witness stand.
Our goal and the impeachment goal was to get him out of office and try to get somebody that would competently handle the duties in that office.
The Lauderdale County District Attorney, Chris Connolly, had been preparing for George Tucker Jr.'s impeachment trial since November, when a grand jury found 11 different instances where the coroner failed to do his duties thoroughly.
The evidence was so overwhelming about what he was not doing that he should have been doing. So, I guess from that standpoint, no, I wasn't surprised.
Late Monday evening, Tucker submitted a formal letter of resignation, stating, quote, "It is with great sorrow that I tender my resignation. However, I feel that my resignation is in the best interest of Lauderdale County and my family." When Connolly received the letter, he immediately filed a motion to dismiss the case, which a circuit judge quickly granted.
I'm glad we didn't have to go through it, because if we had gone through it and prevailed, same result, he's out of office.
He says the most important part is now the families impacted by the coroner's alleged neglect won't have to relive their experience in front of a jury.
It allows us to avoid re-traumatizing those folks who did come and testify to the grand jury, and it just is so emotional to have to talk about, finding your child who's overdosed.
Now, within the last 5 minutes, I actually just heard back from one of those family members who was allegedly impacted by the coroner's neglect of duty. She was the mother of Clinton Thrasher, whose grandson walked in to find him dead on the kitchen floor. They waited 1 full year to get the toxicology report, and she just told me that she's pleased the coroner decided to do the right thing and resign. For now, a probate judge appointed the deputy coroner Mike Bishop as acting coroner until Governor Kay Ivey can appoint someone new. Reporting live in Lauderdale County, Nicole Zedek, WAY 31 News.
Thank you, Nicole. Now, Tucker was the first coroner in Alabama to face impeachment. He told WAY 31 he plans on providing a comment with more details on his resignation at a later date.